Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to install or download the Starfield on PC or laptop. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to have your Steam account. So just open your web browser and then type out store.steampower.com. Then click on enter. So now just click on the install Steam option. So this one, and then click on the install Steam again. So right after that, you'll be able to see the file. Just click on it, install the Steam application, and then sign in or create your Steam account. And then open your Steam application now. And then use the search bar at the top and then type out the name of the game, which is the Starfield. And then select this first option. Okay, and then click on the view page. Okay. And then right after that, you will be able to see the price of the game. So just click on the add to cart option and then purchase this game for yourself or purchase this game as a gift. So it's depends on you. And then if you have security code, so you will then just have to type that out and then select your payment method. And then right after choosing your payment method, just type out your payment information and you'll be able to purchase the game, install it, and then you can start playing. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.